Hi guys, today in this video you know about how far can a 4 by 8 deck beam span. You have to find out the maximum span for 4 by 8 deck beam. And you know that deck beam are used in deck framing, and this one is horizontal structural member component, and it can be used to support joist and transfer the deck load to different post and then to footing. Here the size of deck beam is 4 by 8, means this may be single piece of wood, or either it may be two piece of 2 by 8 timber which nailed together. And first here you make a rough diagram to understand about the deck framing. This one is post, and here the deck beam structure. This one is a rough diagram, another deck board, and the joist are running perpendicular to this beam. There are several joists which are running perpendicular to deck beam 16 inches apart center, and this one is joist spacing. Name this one is the post, this one is deck beam, the size that is 4 by 8, this one is joist and their size is 2 by 8, which is space 16 inches on center, and this one is clear a span between the two posts, and this one is cantilever portion. And one question is asked, what is cantilever distance for deck beam? It can be 1/4 of clear span, and here you have to calculate the maximum span. What are the major factor? The first factor that decide the maximum span, that is total load. Total load consists of dead load and live load. And the second major factor, the wood species. What are the wood species? The first wood, that is pressure treated lumber SYP, the Douglas fir, the natural wood like cedar and redwood are used for deck beam, and you know that it is highly resistant to decay, rot, insects and moisture. The second is near wood like LBL are also used for deck beam, and it is commonly known for higher resistance and durability. The third major factor which decide the span, that is joist span and their size. This one is 2 by 8 size and 16 inches on center. This is the joist size, and you have to find out the maximum span. The maximum span for 4 by 8 deck beam, it can allow to span 8 foot to 10 foot maximum distance, and the minimum span, it can allow 6 to 8 foot distance.